everyone.
Hey guys,
It's Regina.
and Sabrina.
And today we are going to react to She's in the Rain by The Rose.
The Rose.
And it's a 4-member K-rock band that she and I have been following now for quite a few months because we've been really interested in their journey but also in their sound. And I think I had seen Woo-sung on a variety show. It was, I think, the first time I'd seen him, and I've been kind of following them for a little while, so we're really
I love
excited.
the band aspect of it.
Yeah, like the whole thing, like the whole feel of them. And so if you haven't checked out The Rose, you should really check them out. So this will be, this music video had dropped yesterday, but both of us had worked, so we hadn't had a chance to really react to it. So we're really excited to kind of see it. I'd seen the teasers. They've done little mini teasers, but I hadn't seen them. So here we go.
Let's go. I already like the way it opens.
Black and white.
Do you hear me? 회색빛 안개 덮인 gloomy day. 눈앞이 가려진 게 두려워. 이젠 아무것도 흥미가 안 나.
I love Woo-sung's voice.
Do you hear me? 거리를 걷다 보니 different way. 뒤돌아보니 아무도 없네. 내가 쫓던 꿈들이 날 따라와. No, yeah. I'm dying inside. I wanna think that it's a lie. Why? 소리쳐 외쳐봐도 대답이 없네. 쏟아지는 외로움 in the rain.
It's really
I
sad.
know.
She's in the rain.
It gives you that gut punchy feel.
Homesick.
Homesick. Homesick. Homesick. That's what I was thinking of.
She's in the rain.
There were some of the parts from the teasers.
The photos hanging down add to that whole,
Nostalgic feel.
yeah. Or even the homesick feeling, you know, like memories.
It does feel lonely.
She's dying inside. She wants to think that it's a lie. Why? 애타게 불러봐도 대답이 없네. 쏟아지는 빗방울 in the rain. She's in the rain.
We could sing the dictionary. I'd be okay with it.
I feel like I'm watching a
Dead
K-drama
Poet
right there.
Society! Dead Poet Society! That's like one of my favorite
Oh.
movies and books.
He had to be crying right there.
I wonder if there's some kind of link to the book now. I'm gonna Google that.
I feel like I'm watching a K-drama when it shows those things right there.
You wanna hurt yourself, I'll stay with you. You wanna make yourself go through the pain. It's better to be held than holding on. No. 떨어지고 있는 이 세상. 터져버린 널 다시
It makes me want to cry.
It's beautiful though. Wow. I feel like there's got some hidden meaning to it or something now, especially when I saw the Dead Poet Society book in it. You know how I am linking
It's
that kind of
almost
stuff.
like a, trying to think of the right words.
Just left you speechless, right?
Yeah.
It was that good.
It was a sweet song, almost like, you know, it was sweet and sad at the same time.
Yeah.
It was sad, but sweet, like the lyrics, you know, saying, you know, don't have
Yeah.
to do it alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That met expectations.
That was really good.
Yeah, they really did, and we just really like the Rose. So that was really good. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely check out the original video, which we'll put in the link. And if you liked what you saw and you'd like to follow the channel, just subscribe and follow us and
Please
watch
do.
our reactions. But we really enjoyed that. That was so good. We're fans. So check us out for our next reaction. I can't talk today. It's like that.
That's okay.
Like I said, I work nights, so I haven't had a whole lot of sleep. So thank you so much for watching.
Bye, guys.